my name is Naoko Fukumaru. I am Kintsugi artist based in Vancouver. Kintsugi is a 500 years old traditional Japanese method of restoring ceramics with gold. Instead of hiding brokenness, we are embracing brokenness with gold. Here I made Kintsugi cocoon, like a giant cocoon, and thousands of butterflies are coming out from the cocoon. So here the cocoon represents something, a darkness, something imperfect, and some cold. Like when I made this project was last year during the pandemic. Everybody had fear. We didn't know when this pandemic is going to end. So I wanted to create something more hope from the brokenness or darkness. Transformation is something we are reborn, and we can transform to something better or beautiful because we were broken. And often this world is the brokenness or imperfect or being different is negative element, but I don't think so. And because we are broken, we can live on something new. So, but transformation sometimes is very, very painful process because we have to face to the truth. You have to know who we are, and many people are escaping from that. But it is pain, but if you resist, if you find the truth to yourself, you can be very beautifully reborn. So this project was, I am the Kintsugi artist and my collaborator Eva is origami artist. We created together, but at the same time all these 1,000 butterflies were made by the community people. We had 5 or 6 workshops here, and we had some chat. We talked about our life and how to make origami and meaning of origami and kintsugi. So everybody's help, without everybody's help, we couldn't create this beautiful exhibition. I'd like you to come to see this beautiful installation at Some Gallery. And if you'd like to know more information, please visit Some Gallery website.